Hey everybody, what's up? It's Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel if you are new here. Today we're just doing a basic get ready with me for a pretty weird smoky eye, if I do say so myself. So if you like the video while you're watching, make sure you give it a thumbs up. As always, we're just starting off with a clean face and I am priming my eyes with a white concealer. I'm going to be using the Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm pure trash and I don't have the palette with me, but I'm starting off with this olive green shade and I'm going to fluff that into my crease. It does not come off on the eyelid how it looks in the pan, but that's totally fine. So I'm just building that into my crease and my outer corner on both eyes, obviously, and then I'm going to go in with this darker brown shade and really fluff that into my outer corner and blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with this really pretty dark jadey green and I'm going to fluff that into my crease and all over my lid, basically covering everything I already did. But I just wanted a light dark olivey green eye and it did not come out that way. Thanks, Anastasia. I had to cut out this part of the video because James was getting out of the shower, but I'm taking a shimmery bronze shade out of that palette. I ended up wetting my brush and applying that onto the inner lid and then fluffing out that sharp line. Also, sorry, Lulu just like shimmy shook her entire body. I'm pretty content with how the eyes are looking for right now, so I'm going in with my favorite L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation, and I'm just going to blend this all over my face and down my neck a little bit, and pretty much just do my basic foundation routine. There's nothing really different happening right now. Okay, so I lied. For the foundation and concealer and like my powder, that's all the same, and I'm using the same contour. I'm just contouring my face a little different from how I've always done it. I don't know. I saw something on TikTok that I'm trying because I'm addicted to TikTok like most of us. So I'm just going to contour out my face, and then I'm skipping blush because I typically don't wear it. And we're going to go straight into highlighter, which I do know I'm using Flexitarian from ColourPop. It's one of my all-time favorite highlighters. Once we have my highlighter kind of pounced in, nobody needs to see me do my eyebrows for the umpteenth time. It's time to do my lower lash line. I'm starting with that smoky brown shade, and I'm just smudging it onto my lower lash line. Really, truly nothing super serious here, and I'm just trying to get the smudginess even on both of my eyeballs. And then because I feel like you guys don't want to watch me struggle to line up my winged eyeliner and do my mascara, we're doing that off screen very quickly. And the only thing left to do is my Lippy Lips. I'm using the Wet n Wild, I don't even know what it's called now. It's one of my favorite ones. Mocha. Give me mocha maybe. I need to repurchase it because it's like literally on its last leg, but I'm just going with the basic matte liquid lip, brown tone nude like always, and then I'm just going to quickly set my face, and that is it for this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!